Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Remember the DJI Air 3S I crashed at 45-ish miles per hour into the tree? And let's just get, that was the stupidest thing ever. Well, I sent it in to get repaired, and here it is in the box. In this video, I'm going to show you what they sent. Haven't opened the box yet. And I'm also going to show you how much it costs on the phone for the entire repair list of what they did. So anyway, let's get started with checking out what it took and what they sent for the DJI Air 3S destroyed crash repair. Let's do it. Okay guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is bring up my phone and show you the list. This is from DJI. This is the email they sent me on how much it was gonna cost to repair it when they received it. They send you a shipping label. You don't even have to pay for shipping. All you pay is what they have on this repair list to get your drone back. Here we go. We're gonna start off with the Air 3S aircraft arm rotating axis. One, that was $5. Gimbal coaxial cable, a little bit pricey, $29, one of those. Gimbal FPC, I'm not sure exactly what that is, but just one of those at $9. And then the repair service fee, which was $65. So that's like their labor or whatever they would charge to fix it. And then the total cost, shipping cost is $0, as you can see. Total cost, big reveal here for this destroyed. Remember, the whole camera fell out, ripped out, arm was broken. It hit basically a 70-foot tall tree and then just tumbled to the ground. Took the biggest fall I've ever seen, face planted in the dirt. Oh my gosh, look. The gimbal camera ripped off. What the heck, dude? Right rear arm completely busted. Jeez, look at this. It just ripped right out. Oh my gosh. Here's the cost. $123.21. You see there on the bottom. That to me is way affordable. Okay? And you can just click to pay. So I didn't even send in a flight log or anything. I just said, I know I crashed it. I hit a tree going 45 miles per hour. Just tell me how much it's going to cost in the notes when I sent it in. And there you go. $123. To me, that's super affordable. I didn't have to pay for any shipping. Shipping a box like this large, back and forth. I think this was from Texas. It was repaired in Texas or whatever. This kind of box would probably cost about $20 each way if you were to ship it and pay for shipping yourself. So that's like $40 of savings right there. Just surprises me how cheap it is to repair these things. Now what we want to do, guys, is we want to see if they sent a new one or they actually repaired the old one. So let's take this thing out of the box and just see what they actually did. I have a feeling that maybe they sent a new one because DJI does that a lot. But who knows? Let's see. There we go. It does look like a new box. Incredible. Here we go. So yeah, look at that. Look at that, guys. Literally has a security tape on there, and the entire box is wrapped in a brand new, cellophane plastic wrapping. My goodness, for $123 to just get a drone-only replacement because of my carelessness and mishap, I would say that's a really good deal. And I'm always blown away at the affordability it costs. I mean, I did not have any care refresh or insurance on this. A lot of people get insurance for maybe $50 to $100 a year. But even if you don't have insurance, for $123, some of you are probably gonna want to watch me unbox it just to make sure. So I'm just gonna really quickly take it out of the box. Real quick. I don't see why they would put this on if it wasn't brand new. I guess we'll be able to tell if there's any little scratches on it or something. We'll be able to tell if it's used or not. What is in here? Aha! So I just sent it with the mangled propellers too, and look at this. I have a whole new set of propellers for that price. So that's awesome. I just left the propellers on it. There was one propeller missing, remember? And all the rest were cracked up and shredded. And Nothing else in the box besides the drone right here. And let's just make sure it's a brand new, unscratched drone. Let's see, here we go. Is it brand new? Yes, it is. Looks like it to me. Incredible, man. I don't know why they'd go through the trouble of wrapping a box with plastic and everything and sealing it if it wasn't the new one. Let's just open it up and see if we can see anything at all. So there is our insignia, Air 3S. Yes, it is. Awesome, man. Open that up. Yeah, it even has the foam guard on it. Let's take that off. Look at this. So the brand new foam guard for the gimbal, since this is such a honking gimbal that moves around, they put this in for packaging. So that was on it. Yeah, and now they're engraving the decibel level and the class it is here. On the bottom used to be just a sticker. Now they're doing that. I am satisfied that this is a brand new Air 3S. Just amazing, guys. I am going to still have a range test to do with this one, remember? The proper range test. So that's going to be coming up next for the Air 3. I did a range test in Hawaii, and that didn't go too well because the sensors malfunctioned during the evening low light, and it was just sitting there for a few minutes. So that range test was kind of botched. And then I tried to do one back here on the mainland, and you guys know what happened to that if you're watching this video. My fault. I was adjusting the antennas on the controller, and I wasn't looking at the screen perfectly. I turned my head to look up, and that just shows you how fast incidents can happen. I had it in sport mode. I was flying out. I thought I was above the tree line, but I just hit that top of that tree. So again, just completely amazed that I got a brand new drone only for 123 bucks. Just to let you know, guys, I'm putting this in through DJI as just a customer only. I don't get any breaks on DJI repairs, even though some of the things they send me are demos. I have never got a break on repair, and I have never had DJI refresh. So this is the price you would pay as a regular paying customer for the damage this had. And you saw it there on my phone. Just super affordable. Anyway, guys, next video coming up for the Air 3 is the hopefully proper range test. So stay tuned for that and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.